slant 6 single barrel going to pocket mill and replace with a Holley sniper 2 barrel. My machine is down 750 thousandths. Do a little plenum work and make a 2 barrel intake out of an aluminum stock slant 6 intake single barrel. Pocket cut's done. I'm gonna use the mill and go in and poke around a little bit. Remove this. Get rid of the looks like EGR bung and just clean this up a little bit, and then we'll put the plate on there and make a section to here to here. Alright, this is where I stopped last night. I got to finish welding. Pretty much got everything fit. Kind of a big gap, but that's what the aluminum rod's for. Not bad. We'll see what she does. Time to weld. So here's the intake, fully welded up, getting ready to install. Here's the exhaust manifold with the plates I had to weld on to plug up the EGR ports. Here's the intake manifold and the exhaust manifold reinstalled on the car. Here's the Holley 2300 installed on the newly welded up intake. Side view, all good. These are the mods that I did to the new tank. I put a -6 bulkhead in. Then I took some 3/8 hardline and put a little fuel pickup sock, bent the tube for a pickup, fished it through the hole. '72 Dodge Dart. Got it, had a single barrel on it. I got an aluminum intake from eBay. Machined that up, which I'll show you in another video, and put a 2 barrel flange on it. I got a Holley Sniper 2300 2 barrel on there. A cheap ass eBay GT35 turbo. Used the stock exhaust manifold, hogged it out. Got a 2.5 inch feed pipe, little 44 millimeter wastegate. I'm hoping it should be good for like 15 pounds. So I can't run it for long because I got no oil going to it, but it does run, I think. Even better. Starter. Get some oil lines made next week and make it run.